Hey everyone, today we're going to be knocking off some brackets to make room for the new cross member and the control arms. So we're going to be knocking off this shock tower, spring tower. These brackets might have to go as well. This is where the power steering pump's at, the electronic one. All these wires will probably get moved around, and pretty much whatever's on this rail is going. On this side, we will take the track bar lower mount off, the spring tower, the shock tower out. This is gonna have to get moved around too, the brake lines, but we'll figure that out as we go along. Let's get it. All right, first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna block all this off with cardboard just so we don't get all these sparks everywhere and then potential rust in the future. But that's what we're gonna do now. Harmeet's gonna use the Milwaukee. It's just gonna be pretty much just grinding off these welds, and then I'll use the air, and I'll be using the belt sander, just getting in all here, and then we'll just pry them off.
A little fire.
So we got all these welds cut out. Now the hard part is that there's welds back here. Let me get my light. So that's gonna be kind of hard. There's a weld behind here. So don't really want to bastardize this and take it out. We want to take it out nice and clean. So we came up with this tool. Hopefully this will get back here. I'm just gonna walk it, and then over here I'll cut it from the front, and then this should come out. And as usual, Harmeet on his knees. like the simple next door, right?
Hey, if you have a solid bar, then it won't bend. So like, yeah, this is bending.
Whatever, let's spend like another like 3 minutes of just grinding the road.
That's some sick video. I went through the wire. There's we can't get that grinder thing inside? We can, no? Are you in the air hammer now? I think you need to hammer or something. How much more down can you go? But it's definitely getting weaker and weaker. Yeah, you can tell. No need that.
So we got to remove the intake because it hits the upper tabs. It hits the upper tabs here. As you can see. And plus, if you put a supercharger in this thing, don't really need that. And that's a wrap for today. So we ended up cutting all these out. Have to take this out as well to make room. And we started mocking up how the, I guess the upper control arm is gonna sit, going according to our reference point. It's coming along, but we're gonna have to either chop that much so it sits level, because right now it's level, or we're gonna have to add. But I think most likely we're gonna have to chop out and then also chop from the back. Alright guys, stay tuned for more progress and more updates coming soon, but this is what we got done today. This is day 2 of the build. Again, thanks to my boy Harmeet coming through. A lot of shit went down today.